What if a baby panda sneezed and shocked the internet? In a cozy corner of the forest, a baby panda prepares to sneeze. Suddenly, it lets out a loud sneeze that echoes through the trees. The sneeze startles its mom, who looks up in surprise. Her reaction is priceless, as she stares in disbelief. The baby panda giggles, finding the moment hilarious. Mom can't help but join in the laughter, her heart melting. They share a playful moment, bonding over the sneeze. As the laughter fades, they cuddle close together. This sneeze shocked the internet, bringing smiles everywhere. Their adorable bond captured hearts around the world. Everyone loves a cute panda moment, especially this one. Join the fun and share this adorable sneeze. Because who can resist a baby panda sneeze?